Have you ever woke up around 2 a.m. in the morning and heard a sudden high-pitched tone or complete silence that feels loud and it only lasts for a few seconds? Well, that might not be random, because at 2 a.m. that's when everything is quiet, less noise and less distraction. This is when your mind is in between conscious and subconscious, and your nervous system is more open. And when your nervous system is open, that means that you're more sensitive to subtle shifts. Let me tell you what people are reporting at 2 a.m. in the morning. So you have some people saying they hear the ringing in the ear. That wakes them up. Some just wake up without any alarm or anything. They just wake up. Some people have report that it feels like someone called their name. And there's other reports of people saying that they just felt a wave of awareness. One thing they all said, all of them said it's not constant. It's not painful. They said it's just precise. Now let me tell you this, guys. Not everything is mystical.